Guardian angels love the people they look after unconditionally. You have a guardian angel, and it's right by your side now. Your guardian angel looks after you all the time. If it's not your time to have an accident or an illness, your guardian angel will save you. If it's not your time to die, your guardian angel will make sure that you're not in that position at that time. They create the coincidences and the synchronicities that mean you get the perfect job at the perfect time, that you meet the right person, that your life flows in order. Now, your guardian angel also holds your divine blueprint, and so they constantly whisper to you the right thing to do that will make your life easier. But, of course, they don't have free will. You do have free will. So your guardian angel can be shouting to you, and you can choose not to listen. In that case, your angel will stand by you, just patiently waiting to pick up the pieces and help you back on track again. They are completely non-judgmental. They accept you exactly as you are. And your guardian angel is always ready to enfold you in its wings and help you. Angels connect through the color gold. And so to connect to your guardian angel, just breathe gold into your aura. And with each breath that you breathe out, have a sense of your aura becoming more and more golden. And then your guardian angel can step in and touch you. And they will be very, very close to you if ever you need them. Remember, all you have to do is ask, and your angel is right there with you.